Oh, so this is my HTML website. I added some comments. So here's my boilerplate. Then here starts my body. Then I added the title of the page title, and some other subtitles using the H2 tag. Um, and then here I added an unordered list at the bottom with the two other pages, and a contact as option as well as a footer. If I go to the plants page, I also, again, I added my comments, and I added a top menu so that the site can be navigated from here. My title with the one header, and then like the main content of the page with my subtitles with an H2. And then, so here for my plant, I added my plant, and then I have another unordered list with like the facts that I talk about, like the scientific name, its description, habitat. And then for image, I'm I look for some images on like this site that they have like photos that are copyright free, so they're free to use. And I added the alt text. I made sure the height for all the images was the same, so that was kind of like some, I don't know, it was like all similar. It didn't look all crazy. So then my alt text, I describe what the image is, and who took the photo. It's the same. And then I also added a bottom menu so that users can also navigate it from the bottom in the footer. Wildlife is exactly the same. I have my top menu, my title, the description, and then for each animal, I also used an order list as well as this, the image and alt descriptions, giving credit to the photographer. And finally, I added a table with some additional facts for each animal, and again, a bottom menu and the footer. And my contact page, I have my boilerplate code, my top menu, my header and initial paragraph, name and email fields, and I also added some radio buttons so that they can select what their reason is for contact, and then text area for their for the details. And I also added the option to attach an image and send and a reset button of some final words, and again the bottom menu and the footer. So actually, I'm gonna open it. This is actually an AI. I used Midjourney to get this. And then here's my text. I can go here. I can go back home. I can check the plans. I can go back home. I can open my contact form. So if I go to my native plans again, Midjourney image, and then here's my photos. And here I can go to the wildlife, my Midjourney image, the photos, and finally here's my table, and then my contact us. So here's the name field and my email field. And I can pick an option here and give some details. So I can actually, here I can choose a file, I can reset, and it resets, and or I can click send, and that's all.